Hello teachers and welcome back. You're looking at my lesson plan for December 2020. It is a Christmas lesson plan. You can use this for your online lessons or your in-class lessons. Slide 2. Always ask, how are you? Get them to answer it like this. I am a little tired, hungry, sleepy. I am okay. I am great. Slide 3. Greetings. Always ask these questions. What is your name? How do you spell your name? What is your family name? How old are you? I am whatever years old. What elementary school do you go to? What grade are you in? Where do you live? How many people are in your family? Where are you from? Do you have any brothers or sisters? To say that question in Japanese is kyodai imasu ka? Slide 4. More questions for Christmas. 1. Do you have a Christmas tree? They'll answer it like this. Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Or do not. 2. Are you going to decorate your house? To say decorate in Japanese is kazaru. They'll answer it like this. Yes, I am. Or no, I am not. 3. What do you want for Christmas? They should answer it like this. I want or an, or I want Legos. 4. What year will it be in January? You have to teach them this. It will be 2021 rather than saying 2021. To say the last question in Japanese is January 1月は何年になりますか? Slide 5. Ask, how many days are in a week? They should answer it like this. There are 7 days in a week. Go over the 7 days of the week from Sunday to Saturday, or you can sing the Days of the Week song. It's your choice, or you can listen to my version. Then ask, what day is it today? I get my students to answer it like this. Today is, for example, Thursday. What day was it yesterday? They should answer it like this. Yesterday was Wednesday. What day will it be tomorrow? They should answer it like this. Tomorrow will be Friday. Slide 6. Always ask, how many months are in a year? They should answer it like this. There are 12 months in a year. Go over the 12 months from January to December. You can also sing the 12-month song, whatever version you know, or you can listen to my version. You can also ask, when is your birthday? Slide 7. Ask, what is the date today? They should answer it like this. It's December 3rd or December 3. Then ask, when is your birthday? Or you could have asked it earlier. And also ask, when is Christmas Day? Of course, it's on December 25th. You want them to answer it like this. It's on December 25th. Also ask, when is Christmas Eve? It's on December 24th. When is New Year's Eve? To say New Year's Eve in Japanese is omisoka, or you can say oshogatsu no mae no hi. They should answer it like this. It's on December 31st. Slide 8. Ask, how many seasons are there? They should answer it like this. There are 4 seasons. Then go over the 4 seasons. I've added another way of saying autumn. Get them to go over all the seasons: spring, summer, fall, autumn, winter. Some students ask me, what is the difference between autumn and fall? And I say, there's no difference. I just tell them that there are 2 ways to say aki in English. If you know a season song, by all means, sing it, or you can listen to my version. Also ask, what season is it? And what do you do in the spring? What do you do in the summer? What do you do in the fall or autumn? What do you do in the winter? Since it's winter, I would just stick with winter. What do you do in the winter? Or what do you do in winter? You want them to answer it like this. I can ski. Okay? Rather than saying you can ski. I mean, this is ESL. So I can ski. I can ice skate. Okay? Give them examples. Slide 9. Ask, how is the weather today? Go over the different weather patterns. They should answer it like this. It's sunny, it's cloudy, or it's rainy and windy. Or you can ask, is it snowy? Is it stormy? And they should answer it like this. Yes, it is, or no, it is not. My students tend to forget the meaning of is it. They get it mixed up with how is the weather today, which is completely different. So I tell them in Japanese, is it is kyou no tenki desu ka? Uso ka douka. Slide 10. This is the main lesson, the main theme. Does your mother or father do this action? Yes, he does. Or yes, she does. No, he does not. Or no, she does not. You're going to tell your students that this question, does your mother or does your father, mean your mother, okasan, father, otosan wa, kore o shimasu ka? Yarimasu ka? This type of question and answer is going to take some time to sink in to your students. They tend to get it mixed up with do you, and they get it mixed up with can you, which is completely different in this context. Let's go over the pictures. Get dressed, exercise, play an instrument, take out the trash, shave, take a shower, do your hair, put on makeup, do the dishes, watch TV, do the laundry, hang the clothes, do the dusting, mop floors, vacuum, take a nap, play with peers, work. Choose some random actions. For example, exercise. Does your mother exercise? Okasan wa undo shimasu ka? Yes, she does. Or no, she does not. Oops. And how about your father? Does your father take a nap? Take a nap. Your father, otosan wa ohiru ne shimasu ka? Yes, he does. Or no, he does not. Slide 11. I downloaded these Christmas pictures. I have some descriptive sentences about Santa Claus and his reindeer. Santa Claus is coming to town. He lives in the North Pole. Santa Claus wears a red hat, red suit, black belt, and black boots. He has 8 reindeer. Santa comes on Christmas Eve, December 24. Many Japanese children know Santa Claus is coming to town in Japanese, okay? You want to make sure that they understand the meaning of town, okay? That is machi. He lives in the North Pole. The North Pole is the Arctic. You just tell them that. To say North Pole in Japanese is Hokkyoku. Santa Claus wears a red hat. So wears is kiru, okay, or tsukeru. He has 8 reindeer. Reindeer in Japanese is tonakai. And then on slide 14, I have a true or false question about Santa Claus. Slide 12, action words. Go over these action words and get your students to pantomime them. Take away, ask, break, hide, fall, cover, leave, pay, celebrate. Slide 13, Christmas picture words. Presents or gifts, Santa Claus, toys, ribbon, bow, reindeer, snowman, stocking, candy cane, sleigh, Christmas tree, Christmas lights, bell, elf. I got this from MES Flashcards. MES. Google it and you can find a whole set of Christmas cards with bingo. At the end of the month, I'll test my students by covering up these pictures or just setting the words to the side and just getting them to draw a line from the picture to the word or from the word to the picture. Slide 14. True or false about Christmas. 1. Santa Claus's boots are red. False. They're black. 2. Santa Claus laughs he he he. False. It's ho ho ho. 3. Christmas Eve is on December 24th. True. 4. Christmas Day is on October 25th. False. It's on December 25th. 5. Santa Claus has 8 reindeer. True. Okay, not including Rudolph. 6. Santa Claus lives in Norway. False. The North Pole. 7. Santa Claus is coming to city. To say city in Japanese is tokai. False. It's town. Slide 15. Ask, what do you want for Christmas? I downloaded these pictures. It's mainly for girls. I want a hair dryer. I want dolls. I want beads. I want a 2-wheel balancer. I want a camera. I want clothes. These are just some examples. If you go to Toys R Us Japan, you can get a free catalog of toys. Note that one present is given to each Japanese child here in Japan. It's unlike in the West where a child gets many presents. Also, presents are put next to a child's pillow, not under a Christmas tree. And slide 16, you can play this online game called Hangman, and here is the website. This is excellent. It's interactive. Well, if you're doing it on Zoom, You can share the screen and you can pick a category, and then your student can call out an alphabet letter. So, for example, if we chose animals, okay, and here there are 3 little boxes, and they would choose either vowels or consonants. If they call out a wrong letter, that is a letter that is not in the word, part of the picture will appear. If a student gets all the letters before the picture is fully drawn, the actual picture will appear and the software will pronounce the word. And that is it for this lesson plan. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and happy holidays to all of you. Bye.